Hello friends, this is Ravi Kumar Divakar and today we will discuss how Maharashtra's government decision is going to impact the property prices in the state. A move that could lead to reduction in property prices in Maharashtra, the state government has decided to cut levies on real estate by 50% until December 2021.
So the reductions in premiums that have been recently announced by the state government, which takes certain premiums that are paid by developers to the government and has reduced them by 50% for a period of 1 year, that is till 31st December 2021. I think this will obviously assist the developers in a few ways. It obviously provides a reduction in cost, which is pretty significant given that market conditions have been quite tepid for the last few years, and so that's a great relief for developers. More than that, it also creates additional liquidity for the developers in times when a lot of developers are cash strapped and liquidity in the general market is considered to be quite rigid and tight. So I think this will, in those ways at least, benefit developers quite a bit. With regard to property prices, it really just depends on, I'm a firm believer, it kind of depends more and more on market dynamics and demand and supply. I don't think one particular decision of this nature will necessarily affect property prices. That being said, you can see certain developers, maybe even certain projects, pass on the benefit that has been received by the reduction in premiums to the consumers. I don't expect all developers across the board to be able to provide that that to their consumers, but I do expect that certain developers in certain projects, maybe certain micro markets where the demand supply dynamic is not in favor of the developer, they might be sort of inclined to pass on the benefit to the consumers. Well, like I said before, maybe certain developers will pass on some of the benefit they have received from the reduction in premiums to the consumers. Also, the state government has been very clear in its mandate that they have reduced the premiums by 50% with a clear understanding that every developer will make stamp duty free, completely free for the consumers for the period for which the premiums have been reduced. So therefore, developers must, as per the GR, and to take benefit of this 50% reduction in premium, must make stamp duty completely free for every consumer. So that is a good, sort of a reasonably decent benefit that can be passed on or will be passed on. Whether there is any reduction in actual price or not will depend a lot on the developer and the circumstances, but the stamp duty benefit is still significant in certain parts of Maharashtra, anywhere between 5 and 6%, which is a fairly significant number when it comes to helping out the home buyers. Positively, I think it will improve liquidity positions for a lot of developers. The government has not only reduced premiums by 50%, but also in many cases over the last few months has given payment plans to developers as well, who can pay these premiums in installments of over a period of 2 to 3 years, depending on the project and the circumstances. So I think obviously all of these measures had been taken to kind of ease the liquidity stress that a lot of developers and the industry in general has been facing, particularly after the NBFC crisis. So I think this is definitely, for the next year, will give developers that opportunity to shore up a little bit of liquidity that had been so stressed over the last couple of years.
The premium payable in larger cities such as Mumbai is typically high, since the pricing in Mumbai is pretty steep, and any additional area that a developer can build would get them greater returns. A reduction of 50% in the premium payable is a significant saving for the developer community, and we anticipate that this cost saving will be passed on to the buyers.
This state government step could lead to reduction in about 22 premiums that are collected in Mumbai. This is higher than other cities. If this reduction are passed on to home buyers, the property prices will come down in the city. Thank you so much for watching this show. Don't forget to subscribe to MBTV and follow me on Twitter and Facebook. This is Ravi Kumar Divakar with my cameraman Nitin Rajput and Arpit Sarma.
Don't forget to subscribe to MBTV on YouTube and press the bell icon to get the latest videos.